The 2019-2021 Nissan Rogue key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a very common battery type, widely available at most auto parts stores like O'Reilly, supermarkets, drugstores, and online retailers like Amazon. Double-check the old battery to confirm before buying a replacement. You'll need very few tools for this simple process. Just grab a small, flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. You might also want a small cloth or glove to protect the key fob from scratches and prevent transferring oils from your skin. A new CR2032 battery is of course required. First, locate the small slot on the back of your key fob. This slot is usually near the keyring attachment and serves as the opening point for the case. Next, carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot. Make sure the tool fits securely without forcing it. Now, gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob case. Use light, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic. Be careful not to apply too much force, or you risk cracking the plastic case. Take your time and work patiently. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the polarity. The positive plus side should be facing up. Use your fingernail or the tip of the screwdriver to gently pop the old battery out. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up and that it's securely in place. With the new battery installed, carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Make sure the battery and internal components are properly seated. Now snap the two halves firmly together. Ensure the case is completely closed with no visible gaps or loose parts. Once closed, test all key fob functions. Press the lock button to secure the vehicle. Test the unlock button to open the doors. Then try the panic button for the alarm. Finally, test the trunk release button. Verify all buttons work correctly from a distance of 50 to 100 feet from the vehicle. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery polarity. Make sure the positive side faces up as shown in the key fob components. Also, ensure the battery is making good contact with the terminals. The metal contacts should firmly touch the battery edges for proper electrical connection. If issues persist, the key fob might need to be reprogrammed. Check your owner's manual for instructions or consult a local mechanic for assistance. Remember that user error, such as incorrect battery insertion, accounts for 15 to 20% of key fob complaints. Taking care during replacement prevents most issues. Properly dispose of the old CR2032 battery at a recycling center or auto parts store. Many stores offer battery recycling programs to safely handle these small batteries and prevent environmental contamination. Looking ahead, key fobs are moving towards app integration for remote diagnostics and potentially rechargeable batteries to eliminate disposable ones. For now, DIY battery replacement remains a cost-effective solution. Be sure to check your Nissan Connect app or visit a dealership for software updates that improve key fob battery life diagnostics.